Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the watch name change. First, make sure the watch is paired and nearby because the phone controls the easiest method. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Once done, tap the My Watch tab and select General. If you prefer, you can change it on the watch by opening Settings and tapping General. You do this here because the system uses the paired iPhone to update iCloud and Bluetooth identifiers, which keeps name changes synced across your devices. Now you need to find and edit the actual field. In General, choose About, then tap Name to reveal the editable text box. Tap the X or select the text, then type the new name. You can include emojis or numbers for quick recognition. Make sure the name is short and unique so Bluetooth and AirDrop list it clearly. After editing, tap Done or press Return so the system accepts the change and begins syncing the new identifier across services. Finish by confirming the change. You should see the new name immediately in the Watch app and under Settings right arrow General right arrow About on the watch. If it doesn't update straight away, restart the watch and wait a minute for iCloud and Bluetooth to catch up. Make sure your phone and watch are both online. If problems persist, unpairing and repairing will force a full sync. That's a last resort because it restores from a backup, but it reliably fixes stubborn name propagation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.